blackbird and the robin are in the garden now, which is lovely to see. And as you can see, it's much tidier. I'll probably fly off with that noise there. I'm trying to have a peaceful oasis here. I left them alone for 10 minutes. I've just been out and just cleared away all the rubbish and refilled the bird bath. Which they love. And you can see it's much tidier. I think that I've more than proved that I am a gardener now. I just did for my dear friend who wrote me a really lovely endorsement on my website, so thank you for that. And you shall remain nameless. Hello, beautiful robin. So it's a toss-up between morsels for the birds who seem very hungry and preserving the wildlife over the fallow period. I prefer to preserve them and start up in March. It'll be February in a few days. So I'll leave this garden alone now, and I'll leave some of the weeds that have grown in amongst the border over there, which you can see. I've left that because if it's a dry March, which we had last year, the ground will welcome those weeds that have sprung up in amongst the nigella, and the robin is looking on happily. But I've got some marigolds and lots of nigella, some bluebells which are thriving now. Euphorbia, which is a mature euphorbia, if you're wondering what's that lovely yellow plant in Feb, well, almost Feb, it's euphorbia. I've transplanted it over there a few years back. I've got to get rid of some of those blackberries underneath the buddleia as well, but I've left some of the old sticks like Michaelmas daisies there, you can see in the background. I've left those in for now, and hopefully we'll get some blue butterflies on the ivy. They love that in February. Now that's the garden for now, all replenished and beautiful, courtesy of my own fair hand, even if I do say so myself. I'll see you on my book blog. This is my meme perfectly signing off for now, and my garden, which I created myself over a period of about 6 years. Bye bye for now.